Hi guys, Taylor Brinson here with Southwire Tools to talk about our new ROMEX box straw wire stripper. Our new wire stripper features a patent-pending 90-degree head that strips both 12-2 and 14-2 ROMEX. The unique design allows for you as a contractor to easily strip inside of a box. It's much safer than using a knife and much more efficient than trying to use a standard wire stripper to strip inside of a box. The wire stripper features a 14-2 and 12-2 stripping head, does both 14 and 12 gauge single conductors, features a large shearing style blade for cutting through the entire jacket, has screw shearing holes, a wire looping hole, and our comfortable double dip handles. The ROMEX box straw wire stripper is a faster, safer, and easier way to strip ROMEX.